move. Okay, first thing I did is I grabbed the polygon tool, and as I click and drag out, I'm going to hold down the up and down arrow to let you see that if you press the up and down arrow, you can increase the angles. So I'm going to give it about that many angles there, and I'm going to let go. I'll also change my color to black. No apparent reason, just for this tutorial to match the other one. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is go up to Select, Effect, Distort, Transform, Pucker, and Bloat. Now, yours is probably set at 0, so if you drag it to the right, just about right there, you can get this. If you want to drag a little bit more and get kind of a cooler effect, you can do that too. I'm just going to, for the case in point, I'm going to do that right about there. Say OK. And then I go to Object, Path, Offset Path, and say Preview. Change it from bevel to round or miter. Yeah, miter. And say OK. So you don't see anything in here, but I assure you there are two paths. I'm going to hit Command Y, and you can see that there are two stop signs or weird shapes here. I'm going to grab my white arrow tool. I'm going to click on the inner one right here. From my color panel, I'm going to select red. Then I'm going to hit Command Y again, and you can see they've been filled with a color. The only reason I went into outline mode is so I could see the two different polygons in here. So that's one way you can create this shape.